this horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today. This adventure we were meant for.
Kapatid, tayo nagagalak na nagkakatipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa batang ito na magiging kaanib ng ating sambayanang Kristiyano. At sa pasimula ng ating pagdiriwang sa sakramento ng binyag, mangyari lamang po na ipahayag ang inyong layunin ukol sa inyong pabibinyagan.
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way.
Nalalaman niyo ba na kalakip ng kahilingan niyo na binyagan ang batang ito ay meron kayong pananagutan na huhubugin, tuturuan, gagabayan ang batang ito sa pagsunod sa diwa ni Kristo. Mahalaga yung pangako niyo ng magulang. Ama naming mapagmahal, amin ang pinagdiriwang ang sakramentong nagbibigay ng iyong buhay at dangal. Habang panahon kaming lilingon sa iyo, dahil sa lahat ng iyong awa at biyaya. Pagindapatin mo kami bilang mga magulang, ninong at ninang, ay manatiling tapat sa aming ipinangako sa binyag. Niluluhog namin ito sa ngalan ni Kristong aming Panginoon. Amen.
Spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart.
Happy birthday, Kenzo!
Happy birthday, Kenzo! San Malinis!
Happy first birthday. Ang message ko sa'yo as ninong is, I wish you well and may life take you where you want to be. Yun lang.
Like the thunder with open eyes, full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day.
Be a good boy. Always obey your daddy and your mommy.
Happy birthday, Kenzo! I hope you grow smart like Ate. I love you!
Spin fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day.
Happy birthday, Kenzo! Sa paglaki mo, sana maging mabuti kang anak. And also, sana laging mong mahalin yung mama at papa mo kasi grabe yung efforts nila sa'yo. And isa na to sa nagpapatunay kung gaano sila ka-supportive and mapagmahal sa'yo.
It's a good day to be It's a good day to be alive.
To our dearest Kenzo, we are all grateful to celebrate this wonderful day with you.
So my wish for you, Kenzo, is that you find your passion that is really meant for you and you allow yourself to pursue it with sense of joy and commitment.
We will do anything and everything for you. Support ka namin yan, Daddy.
Andito kami ni Mommy mo and lahat ng family mo and friends to support you all the way.